Welcome back, everyone. Andrew here. This week on 2 Minute Tuesday, we're going to cover what is a REIT. Every Tuesday, we try to cover a personal finance or investing topic in 2 minutes or less. Now, if you have a topic you want me to cover in a future week, just drop a comment down below and let us know, and we'll try to work it in for you. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and drop 2 minutes on the clock and get things started. What is a REIT? It's a real estate investment trust. Simply put, it's a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate or investment property. There are REITs that focus on apartment buildings or retail spaces or office and so on. Now, most REITs are publicly traded, which means you and me, the average everyday American, can invest in them through a brokerage account. You can easily invest in a single share of a REIT that owns tens to hundreds of millions of dollars in real estate. And this is one of the great things about a REIT. It makes them an easy way to invest in real estate without physically owning and managing property yourself. And also because they're traded on a public exchange, it makes them really easy to buy and sell. You can sell your shares in a REIT in a single day. Or if you were to compare that to actually real property, even in a hot market, it can take several weeks to sell a property. Now, another great point about a REIT is it's a more favorable legal entity the way it's set up, and that means they tend to pay less in corporate tax and less in capital gains tax. And the reason this is more important to you and to me is because if a company pays less in tax, that means they have more profit. And you pair that compared to with the way REITs are set up, they're actually required to pay out 90% of their income back to investors in the form of dividends. And these dividends can produce stable cash flow for you. Now, there's a lot more to a REIT than just we have time to cover in 2 minutes. And I could easily spend over an hour going through all the finer details. But what I want you to quickly understand is, what is a REIT? Here are the final 3 points to remember about what a REIT is. They're a great way to have a very liquid investment, and they're easy to invest in real estate, and at the same time have broad diversification in real estate, and to get you stable cash flow through the dividends they pay out. Now, I've got 2 other videos in our 2-minute video series I want you to check out, and you can see them right over here. And as always, if you have any further questions, please let us know. What are you still doing here? Come on, I know you've got another 2 minutes to spare. Check out one of the other videos.